How to link Epic Games to another Xbox account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to link Epic Games to another Xbox account. First, navigate to the Epic Games website on your browser. Make sure to log in to your account. You will find different games on the home page. Now, click on the username in the top right corner. It will direct you to the account settings. From the left side menu, go to the Apps and Accounts tab. In this section, link your Xbox account by clicking the Connect option. In this way, you can easily connect another Xbox account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.